Hi guys, it's me, Mrs. Chilton. I'm at home sick, so I decided to make a video of going over this packet. You can just watch it, go through it with me as I do, and then just make sure you kind of have a good understanding for class tomorrow. I should be back tomorrow. So the first page, the very front of this packet, it says, the U.S. government tracks gas mileage by the size of the car. The table shown gives the highway gas mileage for 2013 cars in the mini compact size class. All that means is it's talking about small cars, really just tiny cars, like not like a little smart car, but just smaller sized cars, not a big SUV or a truck. Okay, and they're tracking gas mileage. So every gallon of gas, how far do you get on it? Obviously, you want a higher number because that means you get good gas mileage. So number 1 says, what information can you gain from a very quick glance at the table? Well, there's the table, okay? Right away, I notice I can figure out how many data points there are. Okay, there's, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. There's 13 in this column, 13 in this column, 13 in this column, so that makes 39. And then there's 12 in this column. So what, 48? Okay, 49? 50? 51. Okay, I'm pretty sure 51. Okay, so right away you can tell how many cars they looked at for the gas mileage and tracked. You can also kind of see which ones had lower ones and which ones had higher numbers, stuff like that. Number 2, I would just cross off. Don't even look at that. I don't want to talk about the stem and leaf plot with this data. Okay, but how this table is, we can actually do a different kind of table, which is called a frequency distribution or a frequency table, which helps organize the data into a more useful form. We've dealt with frequency tables already, so this should be nothing new to you guys. And number 3, ask, what does the word frequency mean to you? Sorry for the shaking, guys. I have to hold my iPad while I do this. But frequency, okay, frequency we have talked about. It's how often a number occurs. Okay, we've had the frequency tables. So if the left side said 4 and the right side said 5, it means 4 happened 5 times. So we would write 4 5 times. Not anything different that we've done before. Okay, in this lesson, you're going to figure out what frequency is and relative frequency is. Those are two different things. I'll explain relative frequency in a bit. You're also going to choose appropriate bin sizes. I'll explain that in a bit. And then sort the data. And then you will report what the frequencies and relative frequencies are. So you will need this first page to do the rest of the packet. I'll go ahead and flip to the next page. Don't mind my book that I have my homework on. Okay. All right, so number 4 says to begin creating a frequency table, tally the data from the MPG table, so the table from page 1. The first 3 tallies from the data are illustrated for you. So this is what this means. So they're just marking, here's the ranges 18 to 20. So if you go back to the front page, find how many numbers were between 18 and 20. Well, first 3 numbers in order is 19, 19, and 34. So they put 19 was a tally because it's in this range, another tally because 19's in this range, and what was it, 32? No, it was 34, right? Yep, 34. So they put that tally right here. So that's what you're going to do. So take a second, and I want you guys to go back and forth from the front, and you're going to just put tallies into what those numbers are. And like I said, I think there's 42, 41 maybe numbers. I forgot. I'm going to go ahead and stop this video because I'm going to do this myself. And then after you do this, go on to the next video that's uploaded in Google Classroom.